Hi viewers, this is GM here for you. We will discuss today a common problem many of the Facebook users facing across the globe, almost all over the world. Almost one of you or every one of you have a Facebook page, and mostly people try to sign up with instant articles, a facility given by the Facebook to earn some money, to earn some profit. But from the word go, you cannot sign up with instant articles. Today we will discuss what is the problem and how it will solve. Uh, Let me check when the problem come for you. Whenever we click on the sign up, it will show a common error. Can't find the page you are looking for. This may be of three reasons. We'll discuss those three reasons in the later part of our video tutorial. Instant article requires a Facebook page. It means your page is still ineligible or you may not be an admin of that page. So instant article gives you a warning or maybe an error message that your current or existing Facebook page cannot be signed up with instant article. There may be two or three reasons. First of all, we have to check our plugins. If you are using a WordPress website, so your dashboard will be same like me. You have to check these two plugins must be downloaded and must be activated in your WordPress website from where blogs or posts or articles you want to publish on instant article website. The first one is AMP accelerated mobile page, and the second one provided for the instant articles. The both let me show you. This is my WordPress dashboard. Here you can see this is the instant article plugin which is already installed and activated. If I hope you know what is this plugin and you already have installed it, but if you don't, then you just add a new plugin and name Facebook instant article settings, and you need just to put your Facebook ID on this page. And nevertheless, you do not need to change any of the other settings. Just put your Facebook page ID here and save changes from here. Where you can, this Facebook page ID can be found from here. Let me show you. This is my page. Just go to About tab, which is shown in the left, and here you can see the page ID. Just copy from here and then paste it here, Facebook instant article settings, which is a plugin installed in your WordPress website. And the second one, the most important plugin, is that AMP accelerated mobile page. Just download it and activate this one also. You will find these simple changes. You can manage it very easily and just save changes from here. These two plugins needs to be sure that you have downloaded it. And the third one, most important, your age of page. If your page is not older than 90 days, you will not be able to sign up with the instant articles. The first most important condition to sign up with the instant articles, that your page must be older than 90 days. So make sure these three things, two plugins. The third one is age of your page. And if you have still a problem, just go to instant articles, a fan page from Facebook, and just put your query anywhere in the comment section, just like here, and the instant articles team should reply you within 48 hours or maybe 24 hours. So hope you guys will find this suitable and helpful. So in the end, I request all of you watching this video to please subscribe for my YouTube channel named The All Rounder. You will find the latest videos regarding the your online problem like Facebook, like Google, like WordPress, like WAMP server, and all the other most of the others online technologies you are using to the all-rounder. We have a professional team which will solve your all of problems. If you have any query, just put down in the comments and we will solve it for you. So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and keep visiting my website already, or maybe you may like us on our Facebook page. Here you can like and follow us to see the latest videos. For the next video, I'll going from off. We'll meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care.